Hello, I hope you're well. I was never expecting to sit to make a video about an unboxing of a film. So I was thinking like, what is the point of unboxing a film? I mean, it's a film, but actually this is really beautiful packaging, and I didn't want just not to share it with you. It is with the Santa Color 100 ISO film. Look, this is a package of five. I bought 10, but look at how nice it is, and look at the details here. Look at this one. It says professional grade 100 ISO color film to worthy photographer. I think that's in anything I'm doing in my life. It's like I love the little details, and I mean I really love that they put inside the box one candy, which is cost nothing, but always makes me smile when I see it. And I bought this from Camera Store, which is KAMERSTORE, something like that. And it's a photography shop from Finland. I mean, this is not a promotion or something like that. I was just buying from them films and some of the used cameras I bought. Okay, they were not some of them perfect, but it's second-hand cameras, so they have a little issues from time to time. But they were always helpful to, in their emails and giving advice and everything. And okay, if we keep going with that, it's like this is like the individual film packaging, and it's a color film. And if we open it inside, I'm just excited a little. Does it focus? No, if I come here, I think now it's focused. So, and it's like I think I read like just a second to read my notes, but I think the store I bought it is like the store they make like these films, and for me I wasn't planning. I was checking for something else, and I find that they have like an offer for 10 of them, which is like close to expiration date or something like that, or it will expire in a few months. But I didn't care so much. So, and if we have 10, it was like free shipping. So for me, the 10 of them cost me like 69 euros, which I think for 10 rolls of film is not too much, especially nowadays. And if I look in my notes, it says this film was originally made for aerial surveillance photography, giving it sharp details and fine grain. And it can be processed with C41, but can also be cross-processed in E6. Sorry. I think we can also use it in it is on the box. It's 100, but you can use it for ISO between 25 and 800. And it goes like, I think, one more useful information. As we say, it was crowdfunded on Indiegogo in 2021 and raised $200,000. So it's fine. And I think they use the canisters and they hand fill them or something like that. But and also I think the colors are a little different. If I'm not, I don't know if it's the correct term, but and so I'm looking forward to explore that one. And I just wanted to share with you because it's so beautiful. And I wasn't planning to even to go back to the color film, but I have some powder for C41 with Cinestill. I used it once. I think it was liquid the other time, and I have it in like some glass bottles, and I just keep shooting and kind of uh, when I picked some a number of films, I developed them all together. But I wasn't checking the temperature, and I was kind of doing it stand developer, so it wasn't great. So this time I want to try to kind of have a bucket of water with a specific temperature and put my chemicals inside and move it up and down. So I have no idea what will happen, and I wasn't really expected to kind of try color film. So this was like I've seen it like on Friday, and today is I don't know when you will see it online, but today it's Monday. So yeah, so that was a surprise for me, and I'm not sure if I will try it with like one of the Nikon cameras, which is more or less reliable and give me nice result, or try Holga. And the Hulk guys somehow gives more beautiful color, and this film have specific, like, if you try it online, they have like a web page and you can see some samples of the photos, and I don't know what it reminds of other like brands, but for me it gives me a nice feeling in the colors. But I think I could mess up everything, but I will try to enjoy. And I think, yeah, this is more like my thoughts, and I don't know what's going to happen. So thanks very much for staying up to now. You can explore other videos in my channel, and if you have any thoughts about this film or any other thing about color film, feel free to drop them below so it will help other people to discover my channel. Thanks again, and also don't forget to subscribe if you're not already done it. Have a good day, see you soon. I hope I will share with you some results with these films, or I will maybe put a video that say that I've totally failed. See you soon, bye.